taking, just be. Don't take it.
Welcome back, homebodies. I hope that you guys have been having a fantastic time at home with your family and friends. Today's video is going to be a ride along clean with me, okay? This is going to be a long one. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, put me on and clean with me. This is my first clean along with me video. So let me know how you guys are liking this. Tell me if you were able to vibe with me and just clean with me. Let me know if the music was something that you really enjoyed, but I'm not going to be talking this video. Honestly, I just want to vibe and bring y'all along so that we can just clean up and get these dishes knocked out.
Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I am knee deep in deep cleaning these dishes, and I want to go ahead and start on the pots and those plates back there. So let me know if y'all are this detailed when y'all clean. I'm a real stickler for having to be able to see my reflection in my dishes in order for me to quantify them as clean. Are y'all the same way? Like, when you go out to eat, if you can see your reflection, do you feel like that item is clean? Because when I go out, and if I can see that you took the time to sanitize and dry something properly, I feel like the meal tastes just that much better. So yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying it thus far, and I'm out of focus. There I go. So yeah, if you guys are like that, let me know in the comments below. Are you guys enjoying this video? Because I am thoroughly enjoying cleaning. I still have to clean out the microwave, the stove, and the refrigerator, and I'm gonna stick it all in this video because this is what this video is about. A deep, in-depth, detailed clean. Like detailed.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style.
Alright, homebodies, thank you so much for supporting me. We are growing, so welcome to all of my new subscribers and my new friends. Thank you for choosing to become a part of the Homebody family. I try to upload videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and y'all, I think this has become my new favorite video to record. Like, I love to find other clean along with me videos and put them on and give me some motivation while I'm cleaning. But honestly, I was really excited to just vibe with y'all and clean. Like, most of the time these videos be full of chitter chatter and dialogue. I didn't want to do none of that. I just wanted y'all to vibe with me. So let me know in the comments below if you have enjoyed cleaning with me as I have enjoyed cleaning with you.
Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, babe. Oh, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?